Welcome to the LexisLibrary Getting the Most from a Document module. In this module, we aim to show you how to make the most of reading and using documents on LexisLibrary. Let's start with a commentary document page from Halsbury's Laws of England. The document page is ordered into certain areas. On the left-hand side, you will see a tab. This is the hidden table of contents. It is hidden so you always have a clean reading pane. Click on the tab to easily access the table of contents, to navigate to another document or give content to what you are reading. You will notice when the table of contents is opened that the related links on the right-hand side disappear from view. This is so your reading pane is never compromised. To close the table of contents, simply click the left-hand tab again. Towards the top of the page, you will notice there are useful navigational elements like Previous and Next, and a View Whole Of link which enables you to stitch together a number of sequential documents to read in a long continuous pane. Above, there is also a backlink and a View Last Search link so you can retrace your steps through the product. You will also know what source you're in as it's stated in the blue bar that runs along the top of the page. This signposts the source, but also what content type you're in on the right-hand side. In this case, it's commentary. Helpfully, when you start to scroll the page, you will see this bar becomes a sticky header at the top of the page, so you always know where you are and how to get back with ease. Also, in this sticky header is a new Plainview feature. If you click on this Change View icon, it provides a noise-free reading pane, which is excellent on mobile devices and is great if you need to concentrate on understanding and reading text. Let's now go back to the document we were looking at by clicking on the normal view icon. In the Halsbury's Laws of England source, you will see unique icons to the left of the paragraphs. Clicking on this icon enables a handy side-by-side view of the text and the corresponding footnotes. Similarly, if you had clicked on a footnote marker in the main text, this would open the side-by-side panel. To scroll the footnotes, use the blue up and down arrows in the callout panel. To close the callout panel, click the X in the top right of the panel. Now let's look at a case document page to see some of the other features you might encounter on LexisLibrary. Click on the LexisLibrary logo on the top left to go back to the home page. Let's run a search for 1993-1 All England Reports 42 and let's go straight into a case document. You will notice a handy signal at the top of the page indicating the status of this case. We also have status signals available on all our UK Parliament Acts, as well as case law. On the right-hand side of the page, there is a pod with alternative formats of the document, for example PDFs. Some people prefer to use or read the alternative formats, so we've made them clearly available where they exit. Underneath that pod is the Find Out More area, containing links to related information. You will see there are helpful counters after each content type, indicating how many related documents exist elsewhere on LexisLibrary. Let's click on Find Related Journals, which has 22 related articles about the case we are looking at. The 5 first article names are now listed in the pod for you to scan. If you want to see all 22 related articles, then you would simply click on the View All 22 link. Now let's scroll down the main text of the case. You will see an area is highlighted in green. This is the Held section. This is highlighted in green to draw the user's eyes to the So What essential of a case. If you want to print, email or download this document, the delivery icons are located to the bottom of the screen. Simply click on whatever delivery method you require. In this instance, Print, and follow the print instructions presented in the overlay. There is also an Add To option, which enables you to add this document to your My Documents folder. Let's click on it. You can access your folder through the link at the top of the page called My Documents. In this area, you can collate, sort and store documents up to 24 hours, or bulk deliver a number of documents. Let's click back to go back to the main document. This concludes the Getting the Most from a Document module.